Hirap akong ayusin ang kitchen setup ko tuwing nagluluto. Parang laging magulo. Help! Hi, I'm Chef Eric, Magis Culinary Development Chef for 16 years. This is Paano Ba To? Everything you need to know to start cooking. So when you do preparation for your ingredients, make sure na meron kang malapit na trash bin para hindi ka pabalik-balik, no? Okay, so that is our small diced onion. Tapos we have to transfer it to another container para we have the full space of our chopping board for our next ingredient. So make sure you keep your board clean before moving to our next ingredient. Yung position ng knife on your board, kailangan the blade, the sharp edge is away from you. Now, we can take out our chopping board and knife and we'll prepare our aromatic vegetables and other ingredients para everything is within reach, para madaling magluto. So, ito yung maganda pagka nakasetup na your ingredients, your cooking materials, your tools, para tuloy-tuloy, you don't need to stop. So that's why it's important na you prepare everything in advance, no? Para you don't stop and you really get to appreciate the steps when you develop flavor and texture to your dish. So sa next time na magluluto kayo, relax. You got this. Stay magiskarte.
For more Magiskarte tips, visit nasagoodness.com/ph.